Okay guys, welcome back and straight into OMIKAMI. Now, as I said here, look from here, yeah, the 21st of January, up, down, up, down. This white trend line is what we're following here. It's hugging this white trend line on the 4 hour. Look, as you can see, came up, bounced off it, came below it, bounced up again, bounced off it again, and went past this thick main downward trend line that we've got, that we're watching ever so closely. Now, it's come back down, sold off, and it's going to seem like it's going to bounce again. But as you can see here with my Fibonacci levels that I have put in this Fibonacci map here, this orange line here was where I thought it should go. But once it's reached this level now on that first try here, you can see here it's reached 04776, yeah. It's not going to go past that, I don't think, again until we have that last dump, which I was mentioning before earlier in my other videos. So we are on it's 10:33 now, that's UK time, and we are slightly going up here, so we could go up again here and come back down here, and then where you see this green line here, I'll make it a bit bigger for you, that was my prediction from last week here. So this thick well, let's just put it in here, this thick green line here is what I predicted where it's actually going to go. So yeah, I still think we're going to have this last dump, guys, this last dump. Yeah, some of you writing in and telling me, am I bullish or am I bearish? Listen, if the chart is bullish and you're in, good, yeah, you're bullish, yeah. If the chart is bearish, you wait and then until you get in down below, yeah. I told you guys last week, yeah, you got to follow what the chart is saying, yeah. So obviously, yeah, we went up to the high, we went past this thick main yellow trend line, it's coming back down. So what is it going to do? I will draw it out for you here. Right, so my prediction is it's going to come up here again, yeah. We might bounce off it here, yeah, we might bounce off it here and come back down here, yeah. Try again, come back down, but it's coming back down. However you want to look at it, guys. I know you don't want to hear that, but it is coming back down. So what have I said? Yeah, I've said it's going to come up. It's not going to go past this point here. Look, I'll draw it out for you. So this line here that I'm drawing out for you, this was the high that it reached here, and it actually yeah, sorry, my right, it actually touches here, this purple line where that was the high. So that's the first high. I don't think it's going to go past that first high here at 4766, yeah. So it will try again, it might even go over there, but I'm thinking it's going to come back up to this thick main yellow trend line. No can do, come back again, no, and come back down, yeah. So as I said, guys, as I said, listen to me, yeah, listen to me. If you're in OMIKAMI already, yeah, good for you, yeah, good for me and good for you. We're all in OMIKAMI already, yeah. But if you haven't put in OMIKAMI yet, it's going to come back down here to these lower levels, guys. Look at the map. Look at my map here, guys. Look at these lines down here, these magnet lines down here. I'm gonna stretch them out even further so you can see, yeah, they need to be taken out, yeah. And if you're asking how do I know, it's just years of mapping and planning in this crypto industry, you know. Hopefully I've got it right this time. I've been in crypto since 2017, and yes, I lost shitloads of money, but this time, guys, this time we're gonna do it, yeah, we're gonna do it. So according to my map here of OMIKAMI, yeah, this chart, we will eventually go down to these lower levels here, as I said, around, yeah, February to even March, where we could stretch that here. That first magnet line here, if I stretch it, it's got until April, yeah. But we will take it a step at a time, guys, a step at a time. So if you're gonna ask me, yeah, if you're gonna ask me, I'm gonna draw this live, guys, just so you can see. This is on the 4 hour, just so you can see here. So this white line here that I've just drawn here, yeah, this white line here would be the first, sorry, magnet lines crossed here, 1st of March. That's good enough for me, guys. So when we see it come down here, once you see it hit this bottom here, if it starts to go back up here, we'll have to wait till around the 1st of March to see if it's going to break out. If it breaks out here, guys, we could be looking at that God candle coming up, yeah, and that's what everybody wants, for it to fly. So that is a good point. That is a very good point for OMIKAMI here, and everybody's holding, and everybody who wants to get in at a bit lower levels, yeah. I'm going to mark it out there for you, look, right around this point. So it's around the 1st of March, end of February, the 1st of March. If you see it come out here, well, we could be in luck, guys, and we could be heading for the moon. But as I said, at the moment, yeah, at the moment, guys, we are going to try to go up again, but we're going to come back down. No doubt about it, guys. I'll put my money on it. So if you want to know what I'm doing, this is what I'm doing, guys. I'm not telling you to follow me. I've got to put that in because, you know what I mean, I don't want to get sued, innit? So, yeah, what I'm doing is I'm buying. I'm not buying now. I'm not buying anymore here. Not buying anymore here. I'm waiting for it to go down. Once I see it go down here, guys, look, it's around the 10th or 20th. As I said, a couple of weeks before it heads back down here. Once it gets back down around to this first magnet line here, I reckon it's going to consolidate. If you see it going up and down this white line here, not dropping down, if you see it dropping down here, okay, we can say, yeah, we're going right down here. But if you can see it, you know, hugging this white magnet line here up until the beginning of March, yeah, that means it's accumulating and we're going to be ready to fly to the stars, yeah. So that is the prediction from me. So as I said, if you haven't got into OMIKAMI yet, don't get in now, yeah. Don't get in now. That's what I would do, by the way. Not financial advice, but that's what I would do if I didn't have any OMIKAMI and I wanted to get in. Wait until it's down to this white magnet line. Yeah, I can't say it enough times, guys. Yeah, but thanks for your comments anyway. Right, so that is OMIKAMI, yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget, 38 million market cap, 1 million in liquidity, 10.85k holders, and 376 in volume. Yeah, someone here, you see this line here, look at this. See, so we dropped down here, people sold off, people made a bit of money, and you got a big green candle here. So someone with a few bucks here, look at that whale, put in 17 grand. Why do you want to put in 17 grand at the top? These people, man, they're just like, all right, you could do what you want to do with your own money, yeah, but 17 grand at the top, yeah, at the top when it's going to come down. Are you kidding me? Anyway, these people got more money than sense, yeah. Oh, you're going to put that down 17 grand. Anyway, I've said my bit. Yeah, you do what you want. I'm just telling you, when it comes down here, I'll be putting in more money. If you can see it accumulating, going along, it's ready for that pump. It's ready for that God candle, yeah? Right, so that is OMIKAMI, yeah? I hope you like that one. So now let's just take it to Ryujin and see what's happening here in Ryujin. Okay, Ryujin, let's go. So Ryujin is 10.42 million, 680 in liquidity, 9.33k holders, 189k in volume. Right, we're on the 4 hour here. Let's look at this. So the 4 hour, let's go even closer, yeah? So from down below, that was the 27th of January. We're making our way back up. sold off, back up again, back up again, back up again. It's coming back down. Now, what are we looking at here? This thick here. I'll make it even thicker so we can see. Or maybe I should put it in another color because it's quite hard to see that one, isn't it? So I'll put it to white. So that white thick gray, white trend line coming down, that is the main thick trend line, as you can see here. We touched here again, we touched here again for Ryujin, yeah. So it's come out of it, it's come back down, it's come out of it again. The buying pressure, guys, it's not strong enough yet. It's not strong enough. So I don't think the next few days it's gonna go past this point, which is, what was that? It was the highest around here. Around here was it? So it's 1232. 1232, guys. I don't think it's gonna go past that up there, yeah. So we could try again, but if it tries again and it doesn't go past that point, it's coming back down, just like OMIKAMI, yeah. So what is it doing? Well, remember last week or the last video I said, yeah, this is around the point. I say it will fail and come back down here. This thick green line, yeah, this thick green line, I said it will go over, it's gone over. Come down, it's come down. Try again, it's tried again. It's gonna go back down. I just my lines was a bit just too much forward here, but that's what it seems to be doing. Yeah, it seems to be trying again, and it's gonna come back down here. I'm not even gonna move this. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave this green squiggly line here so you can see what my idea was and how Ryujin is gonna do in the next few coming weeks. So yeah, my prediction still is for Ryujin, it's gonna try again, come back over, fail, come back down again, and head down. Now, just like OMIKAMI, yeah, I'm just doing this live, guys. What is the next magnet line? So I would say I'll do this in I'll leave that. I'll just do it thick so you can see this thick blue line here at 85. What's that? 8571. Yeah, 8571. That is the magnet line to be watching. Yeah, 11th of February. So if it goes down here, yeah, we can buy in. But if it goes along, if you see it hugging this line here, this magnet line here, we could be looking for a breakout. This is around 11th of February, yeah? So that could be, what we're now, we're on the 2nd. So yeah, probably maybe from next Sunday onwards, we want to take a look at that, where we're at. Let me just take it down to the 2 hour here on this one. Yeah, I'm sticking with that, guys. I'm sticking with that one. So if it goes past down there, like this line, this squiggly line, yeah, as I said, if it comes down here and it's not hugging this, the next one is down. Well, we've got another one here. Let me just do this for you. We got another one here, guys. So that's the first magnet line, that's the second magnet line, and we'll just follow it day by day on this show and see where we're going. If it passes this, not hugging it, it's going to come back down to this. If it goes past this, we're coming down to here, guys. Mark my words, we still got a way to go in this Ryujin coin before we start heading up. I've got even my last point. See, there's a point here, 22nd of February, and the last point, just similar to OMIKAMI here, the beginning of March down here. I'm not saying it's going to come down here, but we're just going to keep an eye on it, yeah? I know you want to hear the bullish sentiment, but at the moment, the buying power is not strong enough, guys. It's you know, it's coming up, coming down, coming up, coming down. And that thick white trend line here that we got going here seems to not be able to hold that, and it's going to make its way back down. So yet again, guys, what do we do here? Or what, sorry, not what do we do, what would I do here? Well, If you're in Ryujin, just hold, yeah, just hold, same as OMIKAMI, and wait for it to come back down here, guys. You're not in a rush. You're not going to miss out. Wait for it to come back down here. If you're a bit nervous, you can buy it in again down here. If you see it go past there, buy again down here. That's what I would do, yeah. That is my advice to me. I would buy down here because you're going to get a bit more for your money, as they say in the trade. So that is Ryujin, guys. Just wait for it. Be patient, guys. It is coming back down. So I want to make more money for you guys and for me, myself, and for everybody. So when it does pop out of this main white trend line here and does that God candle, we will be getting our money's worth, yeah. So that is Ryujin, yeah. So I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna come back tomorrow, I think. Yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow and do maybe a longer one, or shall I stay? Shall I stay on this now? Let's just see what else we got then. My two lowest coins that I was looking at is these two. These two, I think we've got a good idea. They might pump quite soon, is it? So let's have a look. This is Satellite Doge one. I'm still very interested in this one. We're on 313k, 114k liquidity. That was the market cap. 313k, 5k holders, and 4.5k in volume. So this is the 2 hour. It's popped out of that orange main trend line here. Yeah, it's popped out of there and it's coming back down here. So the crossing that I've got here around the 15th of March. See, you got to put these meme coins kind of together and see, you know, what the average placing of it is before you think it's gonna hit the bottom. The other one, guys, was the old XRP, wasn't it? Yeah, the old XRP meme, that is, yeah, meme, not the main one, because you're not gonna make no money on the main one. I'll just tell you that. So yeah, it was this one. It's the Harry Potter Obama. So that's on 580k market cap and 179 liquidity and 7.87k holders. We got 5k in volume. All the way from the top, it's coming down. It's made a new low there. Let's see. So here, I'm just going to stretch this out for you. So here it looks like the bottom, roughly, guys, because this is on the 2 hour, roughly either 5th of February or no, I'll even 6th of February. So we can watch this one. It might be one of the early ones to go because look, we're only on 5k market cap and 179 in liquidity. Oh, we'll keep going because yeah, I know you like want to see the meme coins that I'm interested in. The other one was Mega, because I'm just showing you the ones that are near the bottom now, yeah. If you've got any ones that you want me specially to look at, I will do. So this is on 361, so it's even a lower market cap and 104 liquidity. We've got 1.7k holders and 27k in volume. Let's have a look. This is the 2 hour, so this is very finely tuned to this one. We are nearly down the bottom. You see it keeps on popping out. This thick yellow trend line that we're following, it keeps on popping out. So it's not down the bottom yet. So I will just move that. And we'll continue to follow this coin and see where it heads. Look, that's 12th of February down the bottom, roughly around there. So guys, you know, you want to get into these meme coins. I'm waiting till right at the bottom. You can do what you want, but I'm waiting till we get right to the bottom. That's when I'm going to put in, and you don't have to put in too much there to get a good return on your investment. Another one was there's a lot. There's so many. Yeah, there's another one here. This MAGA is another Trump coin. It's we're on, this is a bit higher, this one. We're on 9.96 million market cap and 1.5 in liquidity, 24k holders, so people like this one, and we're on 126 in volume. So down here, where are we? It's coming down, it's coming right down, so it'll be another good one to get in, because we are on 1.5 in liquidity million. That's quite good. So we're down here, but my crossings are, look, 23rd of February and the 25th of February, 26th of February. So that's a while to go. We'll keep going through this. I found this other one. I was looking at this bio, then I found this other bio. It's, you know, this one is on 237, so it's a lower, very low market cap, 353 liquidity. So this liquidity's got more than a market cap, which is a good sign. It's called by AO coin. Yeah, so this is the other one, because someone did write in and mention this, but this is the other one I found. And I'm gonna put this thick again. So this is, if I stretch this out, yeah, end of February for this one, end of February. So that's the bio coin. Remember, you just to do your oh, I'm lost for words, guys. I'm lost for words. Do your research. Sorry, do your research. Another one, good one that I'm looking at is Hana. This is on 544 market cap and 200k liquidity, 4.86 holders. This one, what's happened here? So this one is, oh, this might be quite near the bottom now. It's very near the bottom now. I was just going to mention that my my internet, I changed it finally, but it's still running slow. I think it's just a computer now. So I was just going to say no more hold ups, but yeah, that is on the connection side, but on the computer side, the laptop side, is still fucking running slow. I'll go get a new laptop. But as you know, any money I have at the moment is going into these coins here. The laptop can wait unless it breaks down. I've had it for about I don't know, 15 years or something, 10, 15 years or something, but it's done me good. It's done me good, and it's still going. When we make it, I'm gonna get one of those. You know, the wide screen, bending screens, curved screens. Sorry, curved screens, curved screens. Yeah, that go. Yeah, and a nice desk, and a nice, yeah. Anyway, that's when we make it, guys. It won't be long now. It won't be long now. So, all right. Anyway, getting back to it. Getting a bit off track there. So, yeah. So this is Hana. Yeah, this is another one. And what are we looking at here? So what we're looking at, I just have to move this. Just have to move this one. Let's see. A bit. Yeah, it's around the 12th of February, roughly for that. That's Hana. So it's on 6113. It's gone down 11%. So, you know, another one. I'm just showing you these coins, as I said, that I'm interested in. If you like any of these coins, do your research. I'll give you a bit of advice. You don't put in now because we're not down the bottom yet. Couple of weeks, guys, and we can put in. This one also, I was looking at DAWG, DAWG, and this is on 163 market cap, 77 liquidity, 2.22k holders, 222 if you know about that, and 527 in volume. So where are we on this one? We're in oh, look. It actually it's made a dump here. It has made a dump, quite a big dump at that, because yeah, look, if you look, we're on 161 market cap, so it's very, very low, and 77k in liquidity, so it hasn't got much. You never know with these ones. Yeah, I don't put in a lot of money for these ones. If you're interested, Any spare cash you have, you can put in, but don't put in a lot because you never know what's going to happen with these coins. Yeah, um, that's what I would do anyway. So it has made a dump. Look, dump here. It's gone past that, the lowest point here. It's come back down again for this lowest point, but my crossing is still 7th of February, about next week. So I think that's one of the first ones. Maybe it could pump, maybe not. Just keep an eye on this one. That is dog coin, yeah, dog coin. Hopefully I'm saying it right. um, Another one before I go, I reckon, because I don't know how long I've been on here. I don't know, I'm quite long. um, this one I found, guys. It's a treat, as they say. It's a treat. Now, I don't know too much about this one, yeah, don't know too much about this one, but I found it. I thought it was good, but yeah, look at that. It's just freaking dumped now. But that's 598 market cap, only 2k in liquidity now, 2.6k. It was 3.7k holders. So a lot of people was interested in this one. It came out the 22nd of January, so this year. It seemed to be doing good, yeah. It seemed to be doing good. Um, and then it's made an almighty dump here. People was very interested, and then it started going up. But someone's just like dumped a whole lot of their bags. Why are we interested in this one? Yeah, well, we're interested in this one because look, tree, and you get OMIKAMI. You buy this treat, yeah, and you sell it, and you get your OMIKAMI. It's gone down 18% now. People are starting to buy back in, yeah. It's something to look at, guys. I'm not telling you to go into this one. I'm not in this myself, but I am looking at it. I have to do some more research. I don't know much about this at all. It says it's done 4 audits, yeah. It's done 4 audits. And it seems to be, well, it's got 4 warnings, 2 neutrals. What's that? Scammers only got 1. Yeah, well, uh, let's have a look what happened here. So it went up here. Who's dumped now, and how much have they dumped? It's only little shrimps here. Little shrimps have been making out. I wonder if this is botted up. It could be botted up, this one. There's no really big dumps here. It's just like it seems like a bot. I don't know. I can't see any. Can I see any? Yeah, I can't see any big whales or anything here. But when I did look on the old, should I do it live? Hold on. Yeah. When I done on the token sniffer, this is one of the ways you can look at it. Yeah, you can verify it, but it's not 100%. It's good. It's good to check this out. Yeah. So you go on the Ether scan, and you just copy the address. You go back up to token sniffer, and then you put in the address and just see what it says. Yeah. So this is token sniffer. What's happening now? Come on, I just paid for your bloody internet upgrade, and now look. Oh my god, what's happening now? Fucking verifying. Oh my god. Let's see. Okay, verification successful. It will just let me in. Okay, so you just paste the address in there, and this is treat. So token sniffer, it will come up if it's any good or anything wrong with it. It's got 100 out of 100. That's very good. Look, a swap analysis. Token is a sellable, not a honeypot. Buy fees less than 5%. Sell fees less than 5%. Verified contract source. Ownership renounced. Creator not authorized for special permission. Tokens burnt 19.7%. Circulating supply 2 billion, I think. Creator wallet contains less than 5%. All other holders possess less than 5%. Yeah, read it at your ledger. I'm iffy about this one. Why is someone dumped? Why is someone dumped there? But anyway, yeah. Hold on, I've just got yeah. So as I was saying here, this is something to look into. Yeah. If you got some spare cash, can it go down any further? It can go down. It can go down further, guys. It can go down further. But what I'm gonna do this live. I'm just gonna move this on. So what this could do, it could. I'll just do this. It could. Something there. It could. Yeah. It could go along here. Maybe try to. What's. Yeah. I think my memory and my laptop's not letting me do it now. Well, anyway, yeah, I think that's it's not letting me do it. But what I think it's going to do is maybe try again, come back up here. Me could even come back down in this triangle. The crossing is somewhere down here. Something to keep your eye on, guys. I'm not too sure what this is about, but it's treat and you get OMIKAMI in return. But the liquidity sucks, if I'm to be honest. Yeah, it's only 2k liquidity. So unless that liquidity goes up, yeah, I'm not gonna buy in. Anyway, let's move on. Let's move on. We got one of the old favorites here, Colt. This one did quite well in the bull run, the last one. 730 million market cap and 2.7 liquidity. 100% locked, guys. What did I say? 100% locked. When you see this green one, 100% locked. Very good. 19.79k holders. So on this one, we are coming all the way down. It's got a bit of a way to go. This is going to be one of the last ones to pump. Yeah, we got a bit of a way to go down there. Look at the 15th, 16th of March, or even further down here. Look at that, 18th of April. So that's just one to watch out for. Write it down. If you make any money before that, you could put in here before it pumps. Get a bit more money. You know what I mean? So there's another one. We've got so much here. We've got so much. S Trump. Let's see. I did get into this one. I did tell you. Did get into this one. We're on 1.46 market cap and we're on 346 liquidity. 86% locked. 15k holders and 23 in volume. Let's see where we are at now. So we're down the bottom again. So it's come from that high and we're going down the bottom here. This is the 2 hour, mind you. Let me remind you that I did get in. Where did I get in? I got in, I think it was down here. Let's see. I think it was, yeah, somewhere down here I got in. I think I got in there somewhere around here. But it went up, now it's come back down. I think it's going to come back down if I move this over. See, around the 5th of February next week, it might hit the bottom here on Super Trump. This one is Super Trump, guys. Well worth getting into this one, in my opinion. Still heading this way down. If you want to get in this one, just wait till it gets down here, guys. I'll let you know. I might even put in some more money myself because this is one of the new ones, and you never know what it could do. Yeah, so that is Super Trump. So we keep going. Shall we keep going? Oh God. Let's see, that Tasuka one, not too bad. That Tasuka one, yeah, something I was looking at because it's on 100% liquidity locked. This green thing, remember what I said? 673 liquidity, 4 million in market cap. We've got 14k holders, so a lot of people have been investing in this one. What we got now? We're down the bottom. Are we down the bottom? We're down the bottom somewhere. This laptop's not letting me do it now because the memory's fucked. the memory's fucked on my laptop, guys. So I've actually worked, I've spent some money on the internet, upgrading it. So yeah, we're not getting cut off, but I can't do much on the laptop because the memories is not happening. I'll have to go through my laptop and take some shit off. Got a lot of shit on there. It's bad, I tell you, 10, 15 years old. But anyway, we're near the bottom here. It's going so slow, guys. I'm going to have to cut this short because it might cut off any minute. Yeah, we're here, and the bottom is, look, the 19th of February. Still got a couple of weeks to go on this one, yeah? So that is Tsuka, the Chutu, I can't even say it. I'm going to try and say it. The Chutura Tsuka, yeah? So that's supposed to be rumored another Ryushu coin. But anyway, guys, I'm going to have to leave you there because my laptop wants to have a rest, I think. Yeah. So anyway, comments, hit me up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'm going to come back tomorrow because I want to see where this OMIKAMI and Ryujin, where it's headed after tonight. So tomorrow I will come back with the next video of OMIKAMI and Ryujin, and we'll take it from there and see if my predictions were kind of correct. Yeah. I'll see you soon. Peace.